Hello guys, welcome to my second tutorial on how to import data into your ACL project. In the previous tutorial we learned how to create a new project in your ACL environment. So you want to look at how to bring in data for your data analysis. In this tutorial we want to look at how to import two types of files. We want to look at a DBF file and then an Excel file. How we can bring this into our ACL environment to do our data analysis. For us to bring in data, we have two simple steps to do that. The first step is we can go to File, New, and then we click on Table. And ACL brings us the data definition wizard. This data definition wizard is what will help us to bring in whichever data we want to import into our ACL. So for this purpose, we want to cancel this and then we look at the other option. Now the other option, which is quite simple, is by clicking on the plus button here. Then you click on Table and then it brings you the data definition wizard again. So once you have this data definition wizard, ACL is trying to access the data from a storage location. So in this dialog, it's telling us to select the platform. Where is the data that we want to import? Is the data on our local machine? Is the data on our network? Is the data sitting on our ACL Exchange server, or is in our ACL GRC that we want to bring into our AN? That is what we have on these options. But for our example right now, I want to maintain our local, because the data we're going to work with, it's on our local machine on a hard drive. So from here we just click on next, and then it also asks us that how do you want to access this file. Specify how you want to access it. Do you want to access it through a DEX, ODBC, or external definition? Now DEX means, do you have the data on a pen drive or a flash drive, your network drive, or a hard drive, or your local machine? Where exactly is the file you want to import? Now the ODBC is for open database connectivity, databases that are compliant to this kind of connectivity. That is, if you want to connect directly to your database through the ODBC data source. Examples of these databases could be your SQL server, your Oracle, your MySQL databases. That is where you use the ODBC to do your connectivity. That is, you are bringing the data directly from the database. Then the external definition is when you have your COBOL, your Fortran, your AS400 databases that you still want to connect and then get your data for your analysis. So in this example, we want to use the DEX, so we maintain our DEX and then we click on next, and then it brings us to it gives us a dialog that is going to tell us, okay, it said was select file to define. It means that you need to browse to where the file is for you to be able to import that particular file. So fortunately for me, my file is just here in my sample data file. So there is an Excel file called trans. So I come here and I select, there is a trans April Excel file, which is this one. So I click on it and I click on open. AC automatically tells me that this is an Excel file I want to import, and these are the type of files that we can import with ACL. So once it's selected Excel and then we click on next, it shows us a preview of what we have, the sheet we have in that Excel file. Then we just select the one we want to import. So I want to import the second one. I select it, and then down here it says use first row as field names. So inside that Excel file, we are saying that ACL should select all the first row as our field names, and then this side is used to detect what kind of data type ACL should give to each field. This is not for the number of records you want to import. This is just for knowing the data type, whether it's numeric, character, date, or whatever data type. That's why this is here. Now once everything is fine, just click on next, and then it gives you a preview of what you have in your Excel file. So if all the data type you have here is okay by you, so if you want to change it, you can still select it, and then you come here, you click on it, and then you change it. Maybe you want to change it to text, so I select text and then a change. Then you come to your next button here, and then it tells you where do you want to save the file, and then give it a name. So I specify my file name called Apple transactions, like this. I'm saving it in my project file, so you need to remember to save it always in your project file. Once I give it a name, I click on save, and then it gives me a preview of the field I have, and I click on finish, and then okay. Then your Excel file is being imported. So this is the data you have in your Excel file, which is being imported successfully for you. So let's go through it quickly, and then we bring in our DBF file. So we still go through the same process. We click on our plus button, table, we say yes, and then brings us the data definition wizard again. So here we click on next, and then still digs, so next. Then we select which file we want to import. So we select our rec.dbf, which is our DBF file we want to import. So we select rec, which is a DBF file, which is our DBF file here, say DBF file. So we click on open. ACL says it's a DBase compactable file. So we click on next. It gives us a preview, and then we click on finish, and then okay. Then your DBF file has also been successfully imported. So from here you can start doing your analysis without any difficulty. You have everything, all your data in your ACL project for you to start enjoying your data analysis. Hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then always try to write your comment. Don't forget to always like my videos online. Thank you, and hope to see you on my next tutorial. Bye.